Helping Paws Animal Sanctuary is a wonderful place to come adopt, drop off unwanted pets, or volunteer. There is a range of breeds, sizes, and ages to choose from. There are over 200 cats here, but 100 of them are disabled or sick. This is Batgirl. Batgirl is here at Helping Paws Animal Sanctuary because she accidentally ran into a fan and broke her leg. The owner could not afford the vet bills. This is Lovey. Lovey is basically the mother of all of the kittens that come in. She has been nursing and taking care of Batgirl ever since she entered Helping Paws Animal Sanctuary. Right now, Lovey is nursing and cleaning Batgirl. This is the day before Batgirl goes into surgery, thanks to fundraising. This is Bugsy. Bugsy's owner passed away on Thanksgiving and he was left all by himself. This is Sylvester. Sylvester has FIV, a feline version of HIV. This is Chester. Chester has been attacked by a coyote and survived. He also has FIV. All of the cats in this video are up for adoption, including more. For more information, please call Helping Paws Animal Sanctuary or go to their website.